Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Over the years of all the teaching that I've done, I recognize that if anything that is important, I should make sure that everybody understand it. Seasoning a wok is a topic that everybody need to really understand it and know how it differs from non-stick coating. In my class, one question students often ask me, what's the difference between a wok with non-stick coating and a wok that has been pre-seasoned? Everybody know what non-stick coating means, but not everybody sure what is pre-seasoning and how does it differ from non-stick coating. A non-stick coating is a chemical process that applies to almost any type of wok surface, including aluminum, carbon steel, light cast iron, and stainless steel. However, you can also buy them without non-stick coating. Here's where it gets confusing. Why would you want to buy woks without non-stick coating? The reason is you can make this type of woks non-stick by using cooking oil, a process known as seasoning. For those of you who are unfamiliar with seasoning a wok, let me briefly explain it below. The basic principle is to heat the oil in the wok to a temperature around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This causes them to form a polymer coating the surface of the wok. This polymeric layer creates a barrier between the food particle and the bare metal of the wok, prevent them from sticking and burning to the wok. This seasoning process has been used for cast iron wok for over hundreds of years until the discovery of non-stick coating in the 1950s. However, the seasoning wears off depending on the type of food cooked in it. Second, the seasoning process could be time-consuming and there are elaborate steps often involved. And there are many different methods out there making it kind of confusing. A cookware with non-stick coating definitely is more convenient. It is always ready to use and you don't have to worry about food sticking to it at all. Except when it comes to a wok, a cookware with non-stick coating has several problems. First, the constant stirring wear out the non-stick coatings, even with plastic or wooden spatulas. Secondly, wok with non-stick coating could not use with a stainless steel wok spatula, which is a negative aspect. Third, even wok with the best non-stick coating would only last for a couple years under routine stir-fry condition. This is why wok with natural surfaces such as carbon steel, cast iron, light cast iron, and stainless steels are coming back. However, there's one problem. Other than stainless steel, these wok surfaces will rust when in contact with moisture. To protect them from rusting, a manufacturer applies a layer of grease over the surface of the wok, and user must scrub it off when they got it. Furthermore, before use, the wok must be seasoned, and it takes about 45 minutes to an hour with multiple steps. To remove these barriers for the consumers, some manufacturers start to apply a layer of food-grade vegetable oil resin on the surface of the wok before they ship them. This oil resin protects the wok from rusting. It also seasons the wok so that the user can use it immediately. This oil resin is different from the chemicals that are used to create the non-stick coating. It does not chemically bond to the surface of the wok. The seasoning wears off after several uses, and the wok needs to be seasoned again in order for it to stay non-stick. Therefore, the pre-seasoned wok are actually the same as wok with natural surfaces. They are very different from woks with non-stick coatings. Since it is not non-stick coating, you will not damage the surface of the wok by using a stainless steel wok spatula or by scrubbing. The vegetable oil resin is black and it looks like paint, and in time it's going to wear off. It is cosmetically unpleasant, but it is not harmful. I use a Scotch-Brite scrub pad to remove it. It is unpleasant to me, but it's just a personal preference. I hope through this video, I helped you to have a better understanding of the distinction between a wok with non-stick coating and a wok that has been pre-seasoned. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future video postings. See you next time.